Hey everybody, it's Deb, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload your YouTube video, whether it's one from your own channel or any YouTube video, up to your Pinterest profile onto a board, and we're actually going to create a new board for the video. So let's go to YouTube, and I have this video already selected here. See liked posts and videos for Instagram. So we're going to select it. And this second button right here is share. So select share. And you're going to select Pinterest right here. Select the image. And we're going to create the board right here down at the bottom. You have the plus sign and create board. So we're going to select that. And we're going to title this Instagram. And then hit create. Okay, now it should be, it says board created and the YouTube video should be there. So we're going to go to my profile. We're going to refresh the profile. Go to the saved. That's where all our boards are. There. And there's our board right here called Instagram. That's the one we just created. And there's the YouTube video. And if you click that YouTube video, it takes you to YouTube. Well, here it is. It'll take you to YouTube to play that video. So it was that easy. So if you found this video helpful for you, select that like button because the YouTube gods really love it when we do that and it says, hey, you like me. And if you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to the channel.